We are back with the second part. So we have separated the parts. Now the problem in this board and this board we need to identify is very easy. If you see this, the one which I bought from the Ali, you know what I'm talking about again. So this switch is smaller than this pin. This pin is smaller than this pin. So if you can see, one second. Yeah, let me some nice game. Let me show you. You see this pin inside? Yeah, this is the original one. Okay, this is a little bit bigger. I can see it. See my finger? Okay, I can see it. It's this much. And the one which I bought from the other party, it is only this much. So there's a difference of a small half kind of inch or an inch. Yeah. So what I will do is, see, the switch is not working. This is working. This is working, but I don't know why it's not working when I'm fixing it on the door. This is also fine. So I'll just see if I can transfer from here to here. It seems like same. Yeah, let's see. I try to open this one. I feel like it's an earthquake. Okay, I feel sometimes always. Okay. This you need to be very careful, because if you break it, you're done with it. So there are two parts. This is the outer part, the white one inside. The white one which you see here. This is the inner part. So you need to pull up the inner part, then it will open. You need to be very careful, because if you break it, it's of no use then. Yeah, the same you need to do with the other side as well, but you need to put a finger over here, because if you push that one out, then there are chances it will go back inside. See? Just open it. I found out something. You can push it here, push it from this side, but you need to keep it on here, then the other side. Okay, I will tell you. You see, you guys are not subscribing. I am not getting any funds, so I cannot buy a new phone or a camera. So if you guys need to see very clearly, you need to subscribe. Yeah, Okay, see, if you see this white portion over here, you have to pull it like this, and push it back, so it will come out. Yeah, this one. This is the part which you need to, this parts. Yeah. Okay, and then once you open it, there is a ball over here. You might be able to see in this ball, and below this ball there is a spring which keeps the switch in the middle. So the springs push the ball up, the ball comes over here, and when you push it down and leave it, it comes up back like this, and when you pull it back like this, it comes in the middle, so you see it in the middle. Logic and science. Yeah. Okay, so what I'll try to do is I'll try to open this as well, but I see a difference in the switch, so let's open and see. Yeah, yeah, see the quality of the switch, I can feel it, the original one, and you can hear the voice as well. See, it's, yeah, whoop, see, it came out. Now what I'm going to replace is this switch here, the new switch in the old board, the old switch, maybe I'll throw it away. So we'll see the ball here and here. So the ball is, I think, let me see if which spring is better to bring the switch in the middle. This is hard, this is soft, so I'll change the spring and the ball as well, because I see the spring is a little bit loose, so I will show you the ball and the spring as well. Okay. Here is the spring, here is the ball. This is a steel ball. Okay, now this is from the original one, and this is from the duplicate one. We say here in UAE Tijari, but if you see the quality of the spring and this spring is different. Yeah, see, this is hard, so I want a hard spring which brings the switch back to center. Whoopee. My mom is asking my dad, चाय पिएगा? चाय पिएगा अभी, रात को चाय नहीं पीना चाहिए, कभी भी चाय नहीं पीना चाहिए. Why you want to drink tea? My mom makes a good tea. Oh, where's the ball? Okay. Yuppie. Okay. So. One, two, three. Seems like it is reached there, but I want to make sure it is reached. not reach there. So something is holding it back. We'll see what is holding it back. So I don't want to waste much of your time. So I'll show you what is the problem with this. Once again. Yeah. See this one over here? It's broken. Yeah. This one. This. It's like this slanting. And if you see this, there's a middle hole in it where the springs come in. Push the ball in the middle. Keep the ball in the center. And when you get front and back, it keeps bringing it back on the center. So if this is broken, you need to fix it, remove it, or change the entire switchboard. Yeah. So that's it. So I'll try to switch the boards or switch here and there and try to fix it and close it. Yeah. Thank you for watching.